Hi there. In this quick video I'm showing step-by-step guide on how to shut down a computer or turn off a computer using a keyboard. So without waste of time, let me start. First, click on Start. Here type in on screen keyboard. Click to open. Let me show to you the keys that we are going to press for this process. Press Windows key plus letter X on your keyboard. And after press the letter U 2 times. As in like we press the Windows key plus letter X and then the letter U 2 times. This will completely turn off or shut down your computer. So, that's it. Let me hope this video has helped you. Until next time. Bye.